Samsung phone mostly be Google's specs and camera quality, but Google offered a competitive experience for a much lower price, with cameras that went toe-to-toe with Samsung thanks to Google Eye Tricks. Now the Pixel 7 Pro has arrived to challenge the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but are its upgrades enough to make it more tempting than last year's model? Let's break down the Google Pixel 7 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to help you decide. The most important part of today's world smartphones are optimization, and Google is ahead in this game. Galaxy S22 Ultra is way ahead when it comes to raw performance with the benchmarks, but Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and the Exynos 2200 brings a couple of heating issues with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But if you look at the Pixel 7 Pro, it comes with the new Tensor G2 chipset, which is not a powerhouse but instead more optimized and power efficient compared to this Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Although Samsung beat Pixel 7 Pro in benchmarks, but keep in mind now in real-world performance benchmarks don't even matter. Taking a look at the design, both phones are having their iconic look, and nothing has been as elegant and classy as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Especially the green model, it is having a timeless design and it is best on the market hands down. The Pixel 7 Pro also brings unique looks of its own with an even better character than last year's model. Two-tone finish is gone, but we now have a better color-coordinated polished metal camera bomb that actually the most eye-catching part of the design. We also have polished metal on the side, but just like last year the back is glossy, which is definitely going to attract more fingerprints compared to the matte finish of the S22 Ultra. Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with 108 megapixel main sensor, where Pixel 7 Pro comes with only 50 megapixel sensor. But megapixel is not at all, since image processing is the real key, where Google this time improved on the Pixel 7 Pro, and it proved the machine learning by 35%. But as for zooming capabilities, Galaxy S22 Ultra 100x digital zoom, where Pixel 7 Pro 30x digital zoom with 48 megapixel telephoto sensor. The software features you get on the Pixel 7 Pro are amazing. We get a cinematic blur video recording on the Pixel 7 Pro, just like we have seen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Pixel 7 Pro will save you a few $100s and give you comparable display quality and photography, better battery life, and decently sufficient performance compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.